You probably, I'm pretty sure 99%, I guarantee you don't know how to apply creams or serums on your face, and I'm not taking credit for that. I learned this in an esthetician school probably like 12 years ago. I think I graduated esthetician school in 2010, I believe, something like that. Anyway, I never like pay much attention, but this is like a small habit that can improve your skin's quality. So I have 3 tips actually. Number 1 tip, you want to apply skincare products after you have a shower or bath or something like this. When our pores open of the skin, we absorb so much better. So basically, if you have some expensive skincare product, if you regularly apply, it's okay. Let's say it's gonna absorb 20 to 30%. When you have open pores, or also after derma roller, you want to apply after derma roller or after like shower, because your pore is gonna be open and you're gonna absorb 90%, 80 to 90% of the product. So this is a tip number 1. Tip number 2, when you're using hyaluronic acid serum, and doesn't matter which hyaluronic serum, cream, or whatever you're using, you must write down on a piece of paper, I must apply something hydrating, spray or something beneath your hyaluronic acid serum, because hyaluronic acid serum, what they have molecules basically that they attract 1,000 its weight from the environment. In winter, your environment is always dry. It doesn't matter where you live, it's always dry. So let's say from September until March, you freaking have to apply the spray on your skin before using hyaluronic. If you live in dry climate and cold climate, you have to do this 365, 24/7, all the time. So what I'm using, doesn't matter what you use, this is what I'm using. This is my brand. This is rose water spray, which is organic, and I love it. This is freaking hydrating like crazy. And I spray before applying hyaluronic acid serum. You know, actually, I just washed my hair, and I can apply, spray that on my hair. It smells so good. It's all natural, organic, really great. This is product that should, or actually must go all the time together with the hyaluronic acid. I actually made this, really made this product for this reason, to use with the hyaluronic, because you gonna save your skin. If you don't know how to use a hyaluronic acid serum, you can actually dry out your skin like crazy. And I also use this in the morning because I do not wash my skin in the morning. And another thing, I have acne pimples because I'm sick, and it's okay, not this crazy stuff that's happening all over the place last 2 years. No, not that, it's just me, my emotions, and I have a lot of stress. But anyway, so, and the 3rd tip with the hyaluronic or whichever cream serum you use in your life, essence, wherever, you wanna, this is what I learned from esthetician school. Let's say you apply on the skin, don't apply on the face. Activate, Holy Spirit, activate, and then when you activate, you warm up between the fingers. You want to apply on your skin. And don't listen to those bullshit dermatologists on TikTok. They say, doesn't matter, blah, blah, blah. It matters. Try it, you will see the difference. Just try it. Try it. It's all about trying. It's all about just trying. And when you, this is tip number 4. Can you subscribe and like? Because I'm giving you so many tips just in one video. And the 4th tip, you wanna apply your serums, creams outside. If you're gonna apply like this, your skin is gonna go like this. You wanna apply like this in the sides, or a little bit sides and up, sides and up, sides and up. And the forehead, either sides or up, doesn't matter. And whatever is left, going on my neck. So thanks so much for watching. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Just because I'm sick and I'm not feeling well, can I get some likes, guys? And let me know. This is my question for you. I need the help. Can you help me? What do I need to do? Because I'm biting my lips or I'm pulling them. I have a serious issue with my lips. I always, when I'm stressed, I'm biting them or I'm pulling just the skin and stuff like this. I have this bad habit, and please, could you let me know down in the comments below? I will appreciate so much if you're gonna help me. I love you. Bye. See you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't.